Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add border to text in Canva. So here I've already on Canva and here I've already added a background and I'm going to just write the text. Let's just click on add a heading. Here you can just write any text that you want. For example, I'm going to just write morning like this. You can adjust the font to how you like it. I'm going to make it bigger. Now let's change the color into yellow color right here, and I'm going to change the font. Let's use this one. And after that, to create a border, you can just easily click on a text and let's duplicate it. Just click on this duplicate button. So there are two. And on the second text in here, let's go to effects and choose the hollow effect. Now you can just change the color of the text to the color or the border color that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with this purple color. Then just adjust the position of the text with the first one. And just like that, the border or highlight will be created. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.